Hello, I'm Paul Greenstone, and my son Andrew Greenstone has just come out with his first major studio comic cover. It's on, Bravest Warriors number 15, and his cover is cover D. Now, you can get this either at comic stores, fine comic stores everywhere, or at kaboomstudios.com. Now that's kaboom-studio.com. No, there's more than one studio. Let's say that again. kaboom-studios.com. Now, this is really important you get this because my son has been travailing for umpteen billion years. We've paid for his education at SCAD. We've spent thousands and thousands of dollars, and here it is, his first issue that he's come up with that somebody actually paid him from a major studio. Please, 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 we want him to eat. So would you please, please buy this magazine and gift it to all your friends. Remember, it's cover D, not A, not B, not C. It's cover D. Thank you.